Bedgear is a manufacturer that makes innovative, breathable performance bedding solutions. They have a global distribution in over 4,000 stores. With the growth Bedgear has seen, they were ready to purchase machinery to help automate the process for their pillow packaging. A live virtual demo was set up in the PAX showroom. It brought together PAX experts, Bedgear, and a distributor to see the demo of the Clamco 6800 CS XL side sealer automatic shrink packaging machine running Bedgear pillow samples. Bedgear was excited to see the packaging solution work. Mike from Bedgear tells us why it's a great time for the company to automate.
Like I said, with the labor market right now, again, that's what really ramped this project up. Right? It's tough to get people in. We feel this is really going to help us out. It's also, again, not looking to replace anybody with this machine, but it takes the pressure off of having to hire. I really run lean. I like to run lean. I believe in quality over quantity when it comes to personnel. I feel a smaller team gets a lot more done, and we've proven that over the last 5 years. When I first came in, we had 46 people. All right, we're down to 24, and we're producing more. Okay,
wow.
So way more. So a lot more productivity. We look at process first, and again, we nailed that down. And then this was just the next step for us. Right? How do we keep the folks we have, right? Really pour everything we have into our folks. This is a way to kind of keep our headcount down, keep our tight-knit group, and then increase our increase our throughput. We run 4 pillow production lines, as we grow, we've grown tremendously throughout the last few years. So we're really looking for a way to take a step out of the process and automate it. The best bang for the buck, with us was this auto bagger here. The pillow will go onto the conveyor, into the machine, comes out of the machine already bagged. Have an operator there, turn around, put it into a retail carton, close the retail carton into a master shipper. It's very versatile. We have our pillows come in numerous different sizes, thicknesses, right? I think you can run anything as long as you want through this machine, right? The height is more than accommodating for our needs, and you could adjust it with the push of a button, right? You could save your recipes in the HMI system. Bruce actually went over a pretty cool function today with the data that we could export out, pieces per minute, and that will actually allow us to see how efficiently we are running,
6800 CS XL Side Sealer Wrapper is a high-speed poly bagging system for products introduced horizontally on a conveyor. This system automatically measures the length of the product being packaged and forms a right-sized poly bag around it. It can print and apply a shipping or product identification label directly on the bag at the point of packaging. Compared to conventional automatic baggers, the 6800 CS XL can bag a wide range of product height and width sizes at high speed. This CE-compliant machine is one of the most versatile automatic poly baggers on the market today. If you're a product company or a manufacturer with exploding growth and looking to automate, contact PAC Machinery for the most diverse range of equipment. We are sure to have a machine to help you automate your packaging.